I'm going out to a city on Friday night. Well, as a Black Friday, this is gonna be so much fun. Like, I never been to a city on a Black Friday before, like the day after Thanksgiving. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm very excited to go out to a city tonight. We're gonna spend time here. We're gonna spend our Black Friday there. It's gonna be exciting. Oh, and hello, by the way, I forgot to tell you that. But hey guys, by the way, I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. It was good. Hey, we had a lot of fun spending time together. It's good. So, can't wait to go to a city on a Black Friday. So that's the good news. But the bad news is, I will not be able to go out until after the finals because I have finals coming up. I believe that's on the week of December the 14th through December the 22nd. But I don't think the finals starts until December the 16th, but that's the week that we have last day of classes. By the way, I think December the 15th at my college, it's the last day of classes, but not the semester because the fall 2025 semester is not over until December the 22nd, but I believe December the 16th, we start the finals the day after the last day of classes. I definitely want to just take a chance to give my going out plans a rest until after finals. So I spoke to my parents saying that, hey, can we just give going out a rest until after finals? Well, except my mom and dad. They could still go out while we study, that's fine. But for me and my sister to go out for the rest of the semester, we're gonna have to give that a rest, like starting tomorrow until I believe December the 18th or December the 19th. I'm saying both days. Well, I don't think we're gonna have a finals on a Friday because, again, we don't have classes on a Friday, so why would why would I have to take a final on a Friday? But I'm saying both days, either the 18th of December or the 19th, because that's where supposed to get our final grades by the 22nd. I'm hoping to get our final grades by December the 22nd because I don't want to wait till like 2026 as of January to get the final grades because the more waiting, the longer it takes, and the more I get worried about, oh, what's my final grade for this class? What's my final grade for that class? I don't want to worry too much if I don't get my final grades for the fall 2025 semester. Also, please kindly ignore how my hair looks just because I washed my hair already. I just washed my hair this morning. And just because I washed my hair, and just because I said, oh, ignore my hair, how it looks right now until I'm done with my makeup, does not mean I'm gonna go out with this messy hair. No, I'll never go out with messy hair because if I go out with messy hairs, I'm gonna tell you this right now, my friends, I'm gonna look bad. Looking bad with this stupid messy hair. And then peoples in public will be like, oh my god, why is this girl have messy hair when she goes out, doesn't do her hair before she leaves the house to go out? I don't want to be embarrassed if I don't do my hair before I wanted to decide if I want to go out. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a red and purple look for fall. I mean, red is a good color for fall, but not purple because I don't think it's like a fall color. But if you want to do purple, that's fine. You know, purple's my favorite color of all time because I love the color purple because it definitely reminds me of like purple hair colors. That reminds me of that. Because I love the color purple, so I'm gonna do that to go out. And yes, like I promised, I will do my hair after I do my makeup, so stay tuned because I'm gonna show you what hairstyle I'm gonna wear. Oh, and the outfit as well. I just want to do a mirror selfie video just like in my last video. Okay, now I'm gonna do purple, but I'm just gonna put a little bit because I wanted to show the red color itself. I just don't want to mix it and then it's turning like a burgundy fuchsia purple. So I will do that. Alright, so I can make sure I can show the red color. Not only the red color, but the purple as well. I'm just gonna slowly press it down right here. There you go. And do the same thing on the other side. Looks pretty cool with this color. Oh my god. Love the red and purple. By the way, I definitely want to hurry up because I want to do TikToks with this outfit and let all of you know saying that I'm going to a city on Black Friday. So I will do the rest of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my makeup is almost done. So I'm just gonna do lipstick right now, but I'm just gonna put on like a red lip gloss. I think the color is Cherry. That's the brand I bought. Oh, by the way, I got more exciting news. Once I'm done getting ready, I was thinking doing more vlogs because I haven't posted any vlogs for a while. I think the last time was back in July. So I want to do a vlog for a Black Friday vlog where I just go out to a city and spend time with my family. I might run into friends if I see them. Let's hope I can just ran into my friends from school or my fans who are a quote quote big fan of my YouTube channel just because I'm a YouTube star. I might run into one of my fans or my friends. We'll have to wait and see. Alright. Also, I'm using this dark pink frost lipstick from Wet n Wild. This is like metallic mauve splash purple. Just cool though. It's a great look. I would like to use dark purple, but it's way too dark. And then what if I want to remove the lipstick? If I want to remove it, it might be hard to like remove it. Like just make sure my lips is not purple after I put on the purple lipstick. I mean, I tried a few times and it worked out. So hopefully I could just make sure I don't have any lip colors in it when I remove it later if I get home. But other than that, my makeup is done. So I did this look for Black Friday, although I'm just going out to a city and we're gonna do a vlog today. Sorry, I'm getting way too excited because I did not go out to a city on a Black Friday before. Just because I'm way too excited does not mean that I did not receive the good news. Well, I did receive the good news from my parents, so that's why I get way too excited. I screamed happily because that's gonna make my day better, like even better. So I only get way too excited if I receive the good news, like the 100% extreme good news. So I did receive that today, like a few hours ago. So if you're wondering why I'm getting way too excited happily, yes, I did. All right, so I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is the full outfit. I'm wearing black on top, light gray sweatpants on bottom. My Nike sneakers, purple and green. Oh, especially my hair. It's a little wet, but I just blow dry it right away because I don't want to wait till like late afternoon, or the sun going down to do my hair. But at least I got it done. I did curls my hair. Cool. So, slay. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching my today's makeup tutorial video. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos I uploaded. I'm gonna keep posting my new YouTube videos on my main YouTube channel, so go check out my main YouTube channel. Alright, so comment down below if you want to see more of the videos from me. I got more music to do, so stay tuned because I want to drop a new song as of like 2026. When we go to 2026, so I can just make more music. I'm thinking about dropping an album, so stay tuned for that. And wish me I had fun going out to a city on a Black Friday. Love you guys. Bye.